Worldwide Recycling Equipment is recognized around the globe as the leader of soil remediation systems, both direct fire and indirect fire. Founded in 2003, worldwide clients range from the United States to Australia and from Latin America and Europe to the Middle East. Worldwide Recycling Equipment Sales introduces the Vulcan Indirect Thermal Desorption Unit. Vulcan Indirect units are available in 3 different sizes: 10 ton per hour, 7.5 ton per hour, and the smaller mobile 5 ton per hour unit. The Vulcan Indirect Thermal Desorption consists of an indirect fired primary thermal desorption unit with a 2-stage vapor recovery unit and thermal oxidizer. Material is fed into the Pug Mill live bottom feeder with a grizzly hopper, where it is pre-sorted and mixed before being fed into the system. This ensures a uniform feed of the contaminated material into the primary unit. Material is transferred to the primary thermal desorber by transfer and feed augers. The system has an airlock to prevent oxygen from entering the unit. The primary thermal desorption unit is an indirect fired rotary dryer that operates in an oxygen deficient atmosphere. The unit has 4 heat zones heated by 4 individual burners. This enables accurate control of the chamber temperature and reduces potential for thermal cracking in the unit. The unit can operate at temperatures of up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaned solids are discharged from the kiln by a water-cooled auger with a double dump airlock. The spray from the auger cools and hydrates the solids to reduce dusting. Vapor from the primary unit is pulled out of the dryer, counter current to the solids, and into a quench scrubber. The quench scrubber rapidly cools the vapor, removing the heavier oil and particulate. The quench scrubber operates at 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The oil from the quench scrubber is pumped from the scrubber through a filter to remove any entrapped particulate and transferred to an oil holding tank. A portion of the oil in the holding tank will be used as scrubber liquid that is pumped through an air-cooled heat exchanger where it is cooled before being pumped to the quench spray nozzles. The vapor from the quench scrubber is pulled through a mist eliminator and into a vapor to liquid shell and tube heat exchanger. Cooled by an appropriate sized chiller system. The condensed vapor from the heat exchanger flows into a knockout chamber and is pumped to an oil-water separator that separates the lighter oil from the water. All of the non-condensable gases from the knockout chamber are drawn through a positive displacement blower to a thermal oxidizer. The thermal oxidizer destroys all volatiles before discharging the vapor from the machine's stack. The Vulcan Indirect Unit is available in many configurations and can be adjusted for specific projects, feed material, and processes. Give us a call today to discuss your project.